Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to Das Temple. I'm Manisha Sandeep and I welcome you all to my channel. Today, I'm going to continue on the topic that I last spoke of walking your own path. Walking your own path on some level always requires a conscious choice in which you say, yes, this feels true to me and what my soul really craves for. Even if you accidentally stumble onto that path, walking an authentic path always requires some level of self reflection. Believe me, people, I being on this path myself has been all of a sudden. I was pushed on this path and there was a lot of dhulai that happened. But it has helped me to evolve each moment, each day. At some point in your life journey, you will need to embrace being a loner. You will have to go at it all alone. You will have to go against the grain, break free from the herd, ask the difficult questions, and face the confronting truths which may alienate you from others. You will need to be discerning, see through the bullshit, shrug off the haters, and keep moving forward even if you are tired of fighting. Being alone on this path means being a warrior. It means standing up for what you believe and courageously walking into the wild unknown. It's all worth it, trust me. I can assure you of that. And I can keep asserting it until I turn black and blue. But ultimately, you must discover this for yourself. Don't take anything I say as truth unless you have experienced it directly. If you are drawn towards embracing your own path, being alone, and courageously walking your own path, there are certain tips I would want to share with what I have read walking on the own path and also through my experience. Understand and accept that there will be some hurdles, whether from your friends, family members, or society at large. You will inevitably encounter naysayers. At some point, you will be met with critics who seek to bring you down to their level. The reason why they fight against you is that in their minds, you invalidate their way of existence. By courageously forging your path, you are causing them to reflect on their own lives and decisions. If on some level they have realized that they have followed the crowd and made no unique decisions of their own, they will feel a sense of resentment, which they will project onto you. Although it's not nice to be on the receiving end of this, understand that the issue lies with them and not you. Everyone walking a path with a heart will experience social unease at some point. You are certainly not alone in facing this problem. Just keep moving forward and remind yourself that it's not one place to dictate what your life should be like except you. Ask yourself, what do I truly and deeply want? This is not a question you just ask once. This is a question you continuously ask on your path thousands of times over. Keep bringing back your focus on what you desire on the deepest level, not what others want to project or dump onto you. What do you feel called to do? What do you wish to accomplish in your life? What wild paths are you afraid to take because they are so alien but that you feel secretly drawn towards? Our paths are not static. They are constantly shifting, evolving, and changing. By repeatedly asking yourself this question, you will be able to reinvent yourself over and over again. Instead of getting stuck in an old and stagnant way of living, you will be in tune with your soul, with your soul's desire. Love yourself and be your best friend. Embracing the path and taking responsibility of your life can be lonely, as I said earlier. If you and your own worst enemy, your path will be million times harder. But if you can focus some of that energy on learning to love and accept yourself exactly the way you are, your path will be a million times easier. You are with yourself 24/7. You are the only person who has been there by your side through everything. Doesn't make sense to like who you are, doesn't it? Yes. If you are with yourself 24/7, most important is that you like yourself. In many experiences, it absolutely does. Practicing self-compassion and learning how to love yourself are the most powerful tools and strengths you can possess ever. Know yourself. Strive to learn a little bit more about yourself, your strengths and your weaknesses each and every day. Self-discovery and self-understanding are tremendously important facets of walking your own path. As the wise master always says, he who knows others is wise. He who knows himself is enlightened. Only when you can come to deeply know yourself, you can truly embrace who you are and walk your path with confidence. I know we all will be struck with fear while you walk your own path. Feel the fear, but act anyway. Walking the path of a wolf will inevitably confront you with some scary situations. Following your and listening to your own calling is not as sunshine and roses as many people may think of it to be. Often it requires tremendous sacrifice and the ability to look fear straight in the face without turning away. I have learned as a rule that feeling the fear by acting anyway is a good choice in most of the cases, rather than running away from it, rather than shunning off. Obviously, if you are facing a life threatening situation, it would be better to pause or probably face the opposite way. But if the fear you are feeling is emotional or psychological, be gentle with yourself and keep pushing yourself forward. Hold your goal in mind, reaffirm your worthiness and inner strength, and keep going. Don't ever let anything or anyone try to bring you down. And if you do fall down, keep picking up yourself over and over again. Remember, you can do anything. Just do it. Have the courage to be vulnerable. Trust this is going to help all of you listening to my audio to walk your path with courage, giving you more confidence, helping you to move towards light with more confidence and self-acceptance. If you like this audio, please press the button like and do subscribe and share my channel. Loads of love to all of you. Love to walk your path. Love to take your decisions and be your authentic self. Thank you and bless you all.